Assalamu alaikum, Blue World City.
Before you today in this remarkable city of promise and opportunity. From the moment we set foot in Blue World City, we were captivated by its grandeur and ambition, the scale of development from the awe-inspiring world's tallest mascots to the breathtaking imitation of the Burj Al Arab.
Seeing the first world-class tourist destination, Blue World City, in person and actually driving around has been a surreal experience.
BWC Dubai office and BWC Pakistan office joined together to promote tourism in Pakistan.
It is a pleasure to be here in front of you all today in these magnificent surroundings of Blue World City.
Together we stand ready to achieve new heights of success, and we are honoured to be part of this extraordinary venture. Pakistan Zindabad.